take taxis here. Taxi to Jersey. Josie Mabone.
Sometimes you take an existing record and you see
You see here, they stole all the train, all the wires here.
And
This is Joburg. I've been walking these streets for too long, many years. This is MTN taxi rank. Yep. Next step, it's house plans and foundation design. In South Africa, all new houses need to have house plans approved by the respective council that you are building in. This is the sketch I gave to the architect. Something simple that I could build, or that I thought I could build. Initially I thought of doing like a double story type thing, but then I decided against it. This is what my architect then gave me. It's basically the same layout, same sketch, but architect style, I guess. He then gave me these 3D design things, these pictures. but I'm not really into design and aesthetics, so I sort of just told him to do whatever comes to mind, and this is what he gave me. That's what came to his mind, which I was fine with. I was only interested in the floor plan. That's all I cared about. The design and all those things, I don't really care too much about that. Zange ke I can't recall. I'm gonna so what VAR. Yeah, these are the full house plans that I got from the architect. Yeah, it shows all architect related stuff. So this is what gets submitted to the municipality for approval. The HOA, Homeowners Association, where I'm building, they have some aesthetics requirements, which they have in a document. Those requirements, they were not too restrictive, but yeah, it was some guidelines that we had to follow. This is a strip foundation design I got from the engineer. It's a normal strip foundation that we are all used to in this country. But I got the geotechnical report from the HOA, and that report said that there's dolomite in the soil, which makes the soil unstable and prone to sinkholes. And that report recommends a raft foundation for the area. And so I had to get a new design for a raft from the engineer. This is the raft foundation design that he came back with, which is what was required for this soil. So the house plans are done by the architect, which you pay for, and then an engineer will design a foundation based on the house plans. So that's a separate cost. House plans plus foundation design.